Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and in today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating how you can return to the center of your whiteboard from anywhere on your infinite canvas. So when you first enter a space, you're immediately taken to the center of your whiteboard. However, you have an infinite canvas, so you can move around and work from anywhere. So if I want to move to the right, I can work over here, for example. When I do move away from the center of my board, it can be difficult to locate again, being that the canvas is infinite depending on how far you move from the center of your board. So what I'm going to do to return to the center of my board is go to the bottom right corner of my screen and select the Back to Center button. From there, I'll be immediately taken back to the center of my board. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the Help button at the top right-hand side of your screen. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel to make sure that you stay up to date with everything new at Pencil Spaces.